Traveling from Oslo to Bergen offers you a beautiful journey through Norway's stunning landscapes. Drive from Oslo to Bergen. The drive takes approximately 6 to 7 hours, depending on traffic and weather conditions. This option allows you to take detours and explore the countryside at your own pace. The route offers fantastic views, so it can be a memorable road trip experience. Here are some excellent rated hotels near Bergen Wharf where you can stay during your visit. Clarion Hotel Admiral. Located right on the Bergen Wharf, this hotel offers stunning views of the harbor and Bryggen. It's known for its comfortable rooms, friendly staff, and delicious breakfast buffet. Radisson Blu Royal Hotel, Bergen. Situated within walking distance from the wharf, this modern hotel provides stylish rooms, excellent amenities, and a rooftop terrace with panoramic views of the city. Thon Hotel Orion. Just a short stroll away from the wharf, this hotel offers well-appointed rooms and a complimentary breakfast. Guests praise its central location and easy access to Bergen's attractions. Bergen Bors Hotel. Housed in a beautifully restored historic building, this boutique hotel is located near the wharf and offers elegant rooms and a trendy restaurant serving local cuisine. Scandic Ornen. This contemporary hotel is a little further from the wharf, but it's still within walking distance. It boasts spacious rooms, a rooftop bar, and a fitness center. First Hotel Maren. This charming hotel is close to Bryggen and provides comfortable rooms with a maritime theme. Guests appreciate its convenient location and friendly service. Bergen is a vibrant city in Norway known for its rich cultural scene and lively festivals. Here are some famous festivals and events that take place in Bergen. Bergen International Festival, Festspillene i Bergen, held annually in late May to early June. This renowned arts festival celebrates music, dance, theater, and visual arts. It attracts top international performers and local talent, showcasing a diverse range of cultural expressions. Bergen International Film Festival, BIFF, taking place in late September or early October. BIFF is one of Norway's largest film festivals. It screens a wide selection of international and Nordic films, including feature films, documentaries, and short films. Bergenfest. As one of Norway's leading music festivals, Bergenfest brings together top national and international artists. It takes place in mid-June at Bergenes Fortress and offers a mix of genres, including rock, pop, indie, and electronic music. Nat Jazz. Held in late May and early June, Nat Jazz is an annual jazz festival that attracts jazz enthusiasts and performers from around the world. The festival hosts concerts at various venues throughout the city, offering a diverse program of jazz styles. Bergen Food Festival, Matfest. This culinary event showcases the best of Bergen's food scene, including local specialties and international cuisine. It usually takes place in September and offers tastings, workshops, and food-related activities. Bergen Christmas Market. During the holiday season, the Bergen Christmas Market creates a festive atmosphere in the heart of the city. It features numerous stalls selling Christmas decorations, crafts, and delicious treats. Bryggen Bergen Festival. Celebrating the renowned Norwegian composer Edvard Grieg, this festival takes place in June and features concerts, recitals, and lectures dedicated to his music and legacy. These are just a few examples of the exciting festivals and events that take place in Bergen throughout the year. Whether you're interested in arts, music, film, or food, Bergen has something to offer for every taste and preference. Welcome to the historic Bergen walking tour in Norway. Here are some must-see spots and funicular details to explore. Bryggen Hanseatic Wharf. Begin your journey at Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site dating back to the 14th century. Admire the colorful wooden buildings and learn about the city's Hanseatic history. Fløibanen funicular. Take a short walk to Fløibanen funicular station. Hop on the funicular for a scenic ride up to Mount Fløyen, offering panoramic views of the city and surrounding fjords. Mount Fløyen. At the top, explore hiking trails, or simply enjoy the breathtaking scenery from the observation deck. You might even encounter friendly mountain goats. Bergen's Fortress. Descend back to the city and visit Bergen's Fortress, one of Norway's oldest and best preserved castles, which dates back to the 13th century. Rosenkrantz Tower. Within the Bergen's Fortress, don't miss the Rosenkrantz Tower, an impressive medieval building that houses exhibitions on Bergen's history. Bergen Cathedral. Walk to Bergen Cathedral, a beautiful stone church dating back to the 12th century. Explore its stunning interior and intricate artwork. Street Mary's Church. Nearby, visit Street Mary's Church, another captivating medieval church with its unique architecture and captivating history. Hanseatic Museum and Schatztruhen. Continue your journey to the Hanseatic Museum and Schatztruhen, where you can immerse yourself in the life of the Hanseatic merchants. Gamlehagen. If you have time, take a short bus ride to Gamlehagen, the royal residence in Bergen. Explore the beautiful gardens and stunning mansion. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and dress for the weather. This walking tour will give you a glimpse of Bergen's rich history, picturesque views, and cultural heritage. Enjoy your time in this charming Norwegian city.